What is going on, guys? It's Poe, my buddy Jacob, and my buddy Ben. We're out here at a place that we like to go street racing at, and you already know the deal. People out here having fun, freaking dogging their cars. People with the yee-yee trucks are getting it on, freaking squatting and down the road. What do you have to say about it?
Waiting to see him run.
Right now there's a wreck back there, like way back there. There's a lot of police, a lot of people. So we're just keeping it calm until everyone kind of clears out with that whole scene. So this is gonna be a regular video of shooting footage and getting some. So let's go check out some of the cars. But it was a race, so might as well film it. All right, they're setting up a race. You know what they're driving? You're driving?
16.
Hell yeah.
16, man, that's it.
You about to run it up right now?
In a couple minutes, I'm gonna run that red one again.
Okay. Man, he was burning all out through that. That's a great place to work on your lunches, in the middle of a busy ass road. And this is the spot if you want to do it, that's for sure. That is a clean ass bike, hell yeah. Dude, we got two bikes about to line it up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hell yeah. Dude, this place is always just bumping. Everyone's going. People are always doing stuff. These guys are about to line up here for a race real quick. It's gonna be freaking sweet. So how much y'all have on this one?
I think 40 or 50 bucks.
All right. Make sure you warm them tires up. Oh, there he is right here. All right, good luck, brother.
They finna race again or not? Before I just pay anybody to
So what him do? It's me, him, the one who bad.
All right, we're gonna watch it right here.
If you bullshit on the line, that's go. He's dead.
And there's the police. He knows what we're up to. He's just saying, hey, get off the road. He just doesn't want anyone to get hurt.
Check it out. This me and you talking. You felt like they won the race. He said, what made you feel that way? You
I never got in a second.
run, blow, man. I'm going out for him. I play. Do a roll. I play. I'm finna dare.
Shit, run it up again. Put more money on it. Hey, he's showing bands on his tires. Man, y'all are still going. Hell yeah. Demon just driving down the road. That's street porter for you. Get past him. I'm gonna do burnouts, or y'all just gonna run it?
I need a 1, 2, 3.
I'll get you. I'll get you. Are y'all ready? Arm drop. This is every Sunday, guys. Shit like this happens. Don't matter when. Don't matter why. What's up, bud? It's been a long ass minute since I've seen you.
Whoa, what's up?
Guys, I mean, shit like this happens all the time down here. Different spots, different places. We're all staying fairly safe. It ain't nothing. He's parked. He already knows what the deal is. He just waiting on one person to cut up, and as soon as they do, he's gonna light him up like a Christmas tree. Oh, and he's got a buddy. We getting the boot. We getting booted.
We'll catch up to him.
Hey, for sure. Hey, it's good meeting y'all. He's on 44s. My man's on 44s. 22-inch lift. Boy, we'll shake back next time. So we get down, we got a few other spots, but this is one of the main ones. But we're getting booted out. As you can see, the police up there. It's just stuff that happens, man. Oh, he's on his way to get someone. Dang, they are posted up. There's 2 police officers right there, one with his lights on, one with them not. Oh, there's 3 police officers. He's calling the radios, and what they do is they just let them know that, hey, all these people with fast cars are gonna be pulling out, and they're gonna be doing stupid stuff, so lots of people are gonna be getting pulled over, getting tickets. Hopefully no one goes to jail, but that's just how it goes. That's the game right there. What is going on, guys? I'm riding a skateboard in the workplace, and golly, this place kind of transformed. We got 2 monitors. Sorby's got his gaming system. Justin's even got 2. And look at this freaking machinery right here. I don't even know what the heck this is. Hi, Nick. I like your hat.
Thanks, bro. Hey, if you haven't yet, check out Enthusiast, because if you love what the f you're doing, please bleep that out. Then you need enthusiasts in your life. You really do.
Harry, look at that. I was saying, a lift is going to be right there. A lift is going to be right here. We could have a half pipe coming down right there, flat, up right there.
So the boards fly straight up and over it into the Mustang.
Yeah.
Swag. The drink where Austin couldn't get it.
Where's your drink?
He's a jerk. It's up there.
There's Austin's drink. In the 6 koozie. Y'all get a 6 koozie, but there's his drink. Harris, what's the deal?
I don't fucking know, man. Everything's tight down here. I just think it's cold line. Every time
yeah.
I bump, it'll fucking
Dang.
And then it's normal. It's a normal thing for pullovers to do that.
You know my friend Jack? Look at me straight in the camera.
I'm completely sober.
6.
It's just a 6. Hit that 2-step.
I feel like this is about to...
Damn. That actually sounded good. Are you gonna do a 3rd gear burnout? Woo! Yes, Harry, they still have tread. Boy, that was an amazing burnout. Boy, that was a lot of freaking smoke too. Hola, El. I like to El do. And we're putting lists inside of Gavin's shop. El do. Okay, so I need y'all's help. I'm kind of curious as to what this is. Can y'all walk me through it?
You get your transmission here.
with the billet flywheel. This is your throttle adjustment. When you screw it in, and if it goes, then you screw it out a little bit.
A quarter turn.
Okay, that's right.
That'll clear. Great. Plugins for your
Oh, what did you say that this was right
Oh, that okay. This right here is the handbrake. If it's not that, you spin it because they were actually really smart when they were designing it. You spin it, turn the radio up, and if it's too loud, you turn it down.
If you get hungry.
Oh, it's jelly.
Yeah, it's jelly on the go. You just spin it like a little. Instead of pushing the thing, you have to spin it, and it gives you jelly.
Oh, okay.
Is this your suspension?
This right here is the AC knob.
Look, he has coilovers on it.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't even know.
Wow, how'd you get so many coilovers? Does it ride rough? Hello, it's Poe from the future. I'm editing this video, and it just kind of ended abruptly. This video was just cars doing fast things, and that's it. If you liked it, subscribe. If you want to see more stupid stuff, subscribe. Also, might not be buying my truck back because insurance wants too much for it, which means I need a new project. What should I get, guys? I have no freaking clue. I want a car, I want standard, I want fast. Hit me up if you got something in the Louisiana area, or maybe Texas or Arkansas. We can make a drive. I just need a car. Y'all hit me up. Adios. El Bye.